What if I told you that right now, over 100,000 people are on a waiting list for a new organ, and many won't make it? But here's the twist. Scientists are printing hearts in labs using living cells, not plastic or metal, but real beating tissue. This isn't science fiction, it's happening today. Stick around to see how this tech could save millions and end organ shortages forever. Your mind is about to be blown. The end of the transplant waiting list. Imagine waiting years for a heart transplant, feeling scared every day. That's the reality for so many people, but bioprinting is changing that. In 2026, scientists at Washington State University created a 3D printed model of part of a human heart that beats just like the real thing. It's made from safe materials and helps doctors practice surgeries. This is a huge step toward real hearts for people. The best part? No more donor lists. Doctors use your own cells, so your body won't reject the new heart. Traditional waits can last 2 to 5 years, and it's heartbreaking. But printing takes hours or days. Labs now build tissues super fast with precise machines. What if you could get a custom heart in weeks instead of years? Let's dive into how they do it. From stem cells to scaffolds. You're probably wondering, how do you print something alive? It starts with stem cells, special cells from your body, like from fat tissue. These can turn into heart cells. Scientists mix them into bioink, like ink for a printer, but full of life. Using your own cells means no rejection worries. AI guides the printer to layer cells perfectly, creating tiny blood vessels for oxygen and nutrients. It's like magic. Then a scaffold holds it all in shape, like a mold for jelly. This scaffold dissolves later, leaving strong tissue. But how does this printed blob become a beating heart? Hold on, the next part is even cooler. The living machine in the bioreactor. Now the fun begins. The printed tissue goes into a bioreactor, a special box like a heart gym. Here, cells grow and connect. Scientists use gentle electric pulses and stretches to teach it to beat, just like exercise makes muscles strong. In a clean lab with shiny machines, this tissue starts pulsing on its own. Tests in 2025 showed these hearts beat for months. It's amazing. Tech meets life, creating something that could pump in your chest. But can it really connect to a real body? That's the big challenge coming up. Overcoming the integration hurdle. Think about someone you love needing a heart. Bioprinting makes it personal. Scientists solved nerve connections, so the new heart talks to your body, beating faster when you run. Robots help surgeons attach it precisely, linking blood vessels without mistakes. In 2025 animal tests, printed patches fixed damaged hearts and kept working for weeks. Stanford's work on vessels is pushing us closer to full hearts. These pioneers give hope. Imagine no more goodbyes due to organ failure. A world without organ failure. This tech flips medicine upside down. Soon, we'll replace organs before they fail, like upgrading a phone. Costs are dropping. The market could hit $500 million by 2034. But we must think about fairness. Everyone should access it, not just the rich. In the future, heart disease is just a fixable issue. Stanford aims for full printed hearts in animals soon. No waits, no shortages, just healthier lives. This revolution is here, changing everything. Wrap up. Thanks for watching this journey into bioprinting. If this excited you, like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science. Share your thoughts. Would you want a printed heart? See you next time. Keep dreaming big.